Get ready to transform your gaming experience with the new Sony PS5 HyperPop Collection, featuring vibrant and energetic designs that redefine console aesthetics. First, immerse yourself in the bold statement of Techno Red, a loud and vibrant option that seamlessly fades into a sophisticated glossy black. The matching Techno Red DualSense controller maintains this striking aesthetic, offering a premium feel and responsive controls for an unparalleled gaming session. Next, discover Remix Green, an attention-grabbing, bright green shade that brings an electrifying energy to your setup, inspired by RGB gaming glows. The Remix Green DualSense controller perfectly complements the console cover, ensuring your entire gaming station radiates a cohesive, high-energy style. For a calmer yet equally captivating vibe, explore Rhythm Blue, a softer blue tone that provides a serene effect while still maintaining a dynamic neon gradient. The Rhythm Blue DualSense controller completes this elegant look, offering the same advanced features like adaptive triggers and a built-in microphone. Each HyperPop console cover features a glossy finish and a seamless gradient, transitioning from black at the top to a vivid neon color at the bottom with a subtle hint of transparency. These designs are meticulously crafted to bring a bold aesthetic to your gaming setup, mirroring the glow of high-performance RGB lighting. The DualSense wireless controllers in the HyperPop collection maintain all standard features, including adaptive triggers, a built-in microphone, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Experience the premium feel of these accessories, designed for both aesthetic appeal and superior gaming performance, making every moment immersive. Mark your calendars. The HyperPop collection officially launches on March 12, 2026, bringing these stunning designs to your PlayStation 5. Pre-orders begin even sooner, on January 16, 2026, at 10 a.m. local time, giving you the first chance to secure your favorite pieces. You can pre-order directly from direct.playstation.com or through participating retailers to ensure you don't miss out on this exclusive collection. The DualSense wireless controllers are priced at $84.99, offering exceptional value for their unique style and advanced functionality. The console covers are available for $74.99, designed exclusively for the standard PS5 Slim model, not the PS5 Pro. These accessories are limited edition, especially the console covers, so pre-ordering is highly recommended to guarantee your preferred color. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of this vibrant collection and elevate your gaming setup to the next level. Which HyperPop color is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and updates.